30 beautiful black rooms. It is true, black walls suck up light, which can make the shade intimidating to use in a sizable space. But who said you had to go big? Painting a small spot in your home black can have beautifully stunning results. Our favorite, for instance, is this farmhouse-inspired washroom by Luxe Interior Design. The velvety walls provide a striking backdrop for the rustic vanity and brass mirror. White is a safe choice for kitchens, but if you crave drama, feast your eyes on this black cooking space by April Tomlin Interiors. A marble backsplash spices up the walls with a herringbone pattern. Metallic accents from the cabinet knobs to light fixtures break up black space while bringing the glamour. The glossy quartz countertops add sheen. Topping it all off is the white ceiling that gives the kitchen an open and airy feeling. Erin from Suburban Bees transformed her perfectly lovely dining space into a showstopper with black paint. The two-tone walls make an elegant statement without giving off an overly formal vibe. When Patricia Goyens, the blogger behind No Glitter, No Glory, did not have the budget for a kitchen renovation, she turned to black paint. To take things to the next level, she painted her refrigerator, cabinets, shelves, and walls with a color by Farrow and Ball called pitch black. The result is a cooking space that is both chic and timeless. In this 1920s home by interior designer Philip Gorevan, walls painted a shade of brownish-black by Farrow and Ball called Tanner's Brown creates the ideal backdrop for a collection of framed prints. Chalkboard paint helped blogger Sarah Sherman Samuel carve out a nook for a home office in her small home. The wall dresses things up while giving her a spot to jot notes. Heather from Growing Spaces believes that small decor changes can make a significant impact. Case in point, the black walls in her living room. She says the shade instantly made her space feel bigger, calmer, and more stylish. You do not have to whip out the paintbrush to dress up your walls. Anna from Door 16 used black wallpaper with a fir tree pattern to spruce up her home office. If you are a renter, you may want to consider peel and stick wallpaper because it is easy to remove without damaging walls. Mandy from Vintage Revivals says even if you never knocked out a DIY project, you can make this Black Shiplap feature wall. Her tutorial breaks down all the need-to-knows. Take the edge off a black wall with this idea from Alvhem McClary. Here splatter print sheets add unexpected pattern. Pitch black walls can make eating at home a theatrical experience, says Ramsey Interiors. The design firm combined furniture and decorative accessories in sharply contrasting shades to create a traditional dining room with a dramatic edge. A bold feature wall makes a stylish statement in this beautiful modern farmhouse bedroom by Design Shop Interiors. The herringbone pattern was created using stained wood planks. Matte black is perfect for transforming a bedroom into a cozy cocoon. In this dreamy space by Home Polish Crisp, while bedding offsets the inky walls. Two mirrored end tables lend a little glitz to the boudoir. Our favorite feature is the cruelty-free animal skull made of cast resin. Make your flat screen seemingly vanish into thin air with a black accent wall as shown in this living room by Clough Architecture. Not only does the wall downplay the appearance of the TV, but it also helps to anchor the space. We believe the best rooms include colorful accessories. In this dining space by Anne Loengard Interiors, a black bookcase flaunts a collection of books and knickknacks arranged by color. Create separation in an open space by painting your kitchen pitch black. In this home, by The Works, dark floors and saturated cabinetry give the cooking space a sleek and sexy twist. Tiny square tile makes the most of this small bathroom by Boutique Homes. The glossy surfaces give off a lovely diffused reflection. Even better, using black grout as shown will hide dirt. Danielle Colding Design gave the living room in this New York City apartment a modern vibe using global elements. The jet black walls highlighted with crisp white trim radiant elegance. A shaggy Greek flocati rug adds foot-soothing texture. Monochromatic, iCat wallpaper covers the ceilings. Loud colors and basic black go together like peanut and jelly to convey a sense of fun in this home by interior designer team Alita and Miller. Our favorite frothy features include the seahorse headboard by Serena and Lily and wood bead chandelier by Bohemian Like You. Black, plaid wallpaper feels more punk rock than preppy in this stylish bedroom by Boutique Homes. Sealing the deal is an edgy, Baroque bed. A minimalistic kitchen spotted on BTL property packs floor-to-ceiling cabinetry with a crisp gray island. A black quartz countertop adds a little shine to the moody cooking space. These walls are a shade called Black Flame from the Purples collection at Pittsburgh Paints. Spotted on the interior edit, this living room combines the moody color with decor in vibrant shades of green and yellow. White walls can be dull. Here, inky walls accentuate the splashy sofa in this living room by Sally Wheat Interiors. Yes, black walls can totally work in a kid's room. To keep the space from feeling dreary, add big splashes of color. Here Sally Wheat Interiors combines patterns and bright hues to cheer up a space fit for a tween. This pitch black media room by Cablik Enterprises may be the best place ever to Netflix and chill. The L-shaped sofa and red ottoman together provide a place to stretch out and recharge. The painted brick wall adds statement-making character. A gallery wall brightens the room with pops of color. In a historic home remodeled by Cuphead Architects, black paint refreshes old shiplap. We love how the glossy finish highlights the imperfections on each wood panel. Plus, high sheen walls like these reflect light, which will make things feel brighter compared to matte black walls. Black walls set the stage in this gender-neutral nursery by La Petite Mag. Natural wood and muted colors help to soften the space. Additional accents including the typography throw and bunny poster pour on the whimsy. A smartly placed sectional sofa anchors this mid-century inspired, black living room by Lindsay Pincus Design. Additional furnishings including the brown leather butterfly chair, yellow curtains, and Turkish rug warm up the neutral walls. Our favorite idea worthy of stealing is putting negative space to work as a gallery wall as shown on the right. As counterintuitive as it may appear, mixing black, blue and gray is a winning combination as shown in this Palm Springs home by Jen Feldman Designs. Layering the moody shades throughout the room adds both dimension and visual interest. Colorful bedding and a cute end table both add a sense of playfulness that balances the black walls in this snug bedroom in a home remodeled by Architecture for London. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.